think I already showed this exercise previous when we just speak about tango principles, and we spoke on one of the previous lecture when we spoke about the rotation and everything. And I like this exercise when we have the hands like the continuation of our bass. And I really like to feel, when I dance slow, the freedom of this rotation. So for example, if I dance for you these few steps like we already spoke, like tango walk, link, close, promenade, I want to feel like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's never stop the rotation. I don't want to feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is just to keep, to survive. So there is no energy around. So I like to feel this one. This one. Like if I do the 5 step, it's the same. Whoom, 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 whoom. But I don't start. Look, I'm not doing it with the hands. This is with the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the hands is the reaction what is doing my bass. The hip joint which always changes. That's what I feel during these steps is the same. I start with the bass to the left. It's like I'm moving here, then here. From here, so my movement, this continuation is to the right and then to the left. Now, of course, I'm a little bit monkey style. I don't know. This is kung fu, yeah? This is kung fu?
Мизинчный захват.
Kung fu panda. So, of course, I feel very freedom when I'm doing this, like kung fu panda. Sometimes Olga calls me panda. When I'm stay at home and do nothing, only eat. So I feel strong energy in the bass, and the body is the reaction. I think we have to finish, but I want to show again with my beautiful lady now.
Music.
With the, okay, let's do it with the music. My Latin today. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I feel strong energy in the bass, and the body is the reaction. Strong energy in the bass, and the body is the reaction.